Okay, good evening. I want to take a few minutes just to kind of go over really three main components here in the last few days of the course. The one is just to clarify the final group project. So I want to show you that briefly. If you click on the link, which is the red name of the project, that'll take you to the submission area. Really, the most important things here are there is a rubric here, so if you click on this, it'll open the rubric up here for you, so you can see how I actually grade this, the areas that I grade in group collaboration, content organization, presentation delivery, formatting the presentation, and grammar as well. And you'll see the due date here is Wednesday, December 7th, but I'm very flexible with that one, and I will allow you to submit up until Friday, the end of the day Friday. Okay. If you're going to have some sort of presentation that's a file that you can attach, you'll simply do that by attaching it as you normally would any assignment, just by clicking on Browse on my computer, finding the file, and uploading it. What I want to show you here is a bit different. So if you have used a site that you don't actually have a file that you can save your presentation and upload it, what you'll do is click on Write a Submission. And then the important thing here is that you don't put it in the comments area. Okay, you want this if it's a URL or some other way, and it's typically a URL if it's not a file type. You would just put the URL right in here. Okay, and that's it. Then once you have that done, just click on Submit, and make sure you don't do Save, but you actually click on Submit. I'm going to cancel because I don't want to submit anything here. Okay. Any questions about the final project, you can certainly get in contact with me. Over the course of the next few days, it's Monday now, so over the course of the next few days, I will have I have my phone on me, so if you want to text me or call me, 934-6513 is my cell phone number. You can message me here in Blackboard in this area here, and you can email me. All three of those means over the next 3 or 4 days, I'll be checking them multiple times throughout the day. So if you send me a message in one of those means, you will get a response back in the same day for the remainder of this week up through Saturday. Okay? All right, so that's it for the group project. As I said, if you have any questions, get in touch with me. The other thing is, I'm going to talk about the IDEA course evaluation. Please make sure that you complete the IDEA course evaluation. I know I've said this several times now, but Mount Aloysius College really uses this information to improve both courses and instruction. I use it as a way for me to improve upon my instruction and to kind of see what it is that I'm doing right, what it is I'm doing wrong, and to make adjustments from there. So please take some time to fill out the course evaluations. Certainly the administration, faculty appreciate it, and I very much appreciate it myself. So please take some time to fill that out. Okay. And then the last thing is the peer evaluation. I know I sent out a couple emails about this. I'm only seeing a few responses so far, and I just want to reiterate here a couple ways here. I put it in here as a link, so you can go right into here and complete the evaluation. It'll open up in a new window, and it'll open the form up for you here. You'll want to complete this form for each student, so you want to click the drop down, select the student's name that's in your group, complete the questions for one student, and then you're going to come back and do the same thing again for other members in your group. Okay, so you'll do that for each member in your group, excluding yourself. Okay, and in addition to having the link here, I also put it in the announcement area. And I moved that to the top of the page. So if you click on the announcements area, you'll see that the link for that is right here as well. And then, like I said, you can go back to your email. This can be filled out in email because it is a Google form. As long as you're logged into your Mount Aloysius College email through Google, you will definitely be able to submit the form right within the email, and it'll go through. So please take some time to do the IDEA course evaluation and this final project evaluation form. I use the final project evaluation form to make sure that my grading is objective for the groups. If not, I have to go by what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing, and I do pay close attention to these things in terms of the group work throughout the course, but my perception is not always right on. So I may think that a particular student isn't carrying his or her share in the group, when maybe that's not the case indeed. Maybe that's just my perception of it. So I want to make sure that I'm being fair, and then I want to make sure that all the students are being heard. That's the very important part to me. I want you all to be heard. Your voice in this course matters a great deal to me. I live by that philosophy in teaching. If the students that I teach are an integral part of the knowledge generation in the class, so I live by that with my teaching, and I want to get that point across to you. That's why I use these tools to make sure that things are objective. So please take some time to fill out the group project evaluation and the IDEA course evals too. Okay? And with that, I will say that's it. This will be the last video that I post for the course. And as I just looked up into the camera, I can see the lights and the background on the camera here. It's like part of my Christmas decoration. So with that, I'll end this, and I will tell you once again, thank you for what I think was a very good course. And I want to also thank you very much for the input that you have given me and helping me grow as an instructor yet again in another semester. So I appreciate it, and I wish you all happy holidays and a very happy and healthy new year. Thank you very much.